BJP Parivartan Yatra reached Mussoorie. BJP leaders claimed heavy crowd says they want change. Big fault in Health Minister's own district, a part of under construction hospital fell. BJP raised questions. Raksit, Sitarganj, Ramsham, BJP factory workers alleged management paying banned currency as salary. India paid tribute to first Prime Minister Jawaharlal Nehru. Today is Nehru's birth anniversary. Country is celebrating Kartik Purnima and Guru Nanak's birth anniversary. Good evening, you are watching HNN 24/7. Today is the birth anniversary of first Prime Minister of India, Jawaharlal Nehru. Jawaharlal Nehru had a strong bonding with Dehradun and Mussoorie. In 1906, Nehru went to Mussoorie and fell in love with the attractive nature. He was in Doon jail 4 times during British regiment from 1932 to 1941. He spent 878 days in Old Jail. Old Jail premises near Prince Chowk reflects his memories. During his jail visit, Nehru penned a part of Discovery of India, and the witnesses is a mango tree which is still in the jail premises. Just a day before his death, Nehru with Indira Gandhi and other family members visited Sahasrara and Nehru took a dip in Holy River. On the occasion of Children's Day, a bitter truth of society came over in Kashipur. On the roads of Kashipur, children can be seen wandering here and there. They don't know what school is and what the day is meant for.
देखिए, तमाम कानून बाल श्रम पर बने हैं, लेकिन अक्सर ये देखा जा रहा है कि जगह जगह चाहे होटल हो, चाहे कोई प्रतिष्ठान हो, चाहे फैक्ट्रियां हो, 14 साल से कम उम्र के बच्चे काम कर रहे हैं। हर वर्ष हम बाल दिवस के रूप में नेहरू जी का जन्मदिन भी मनाते हैं, जयंती भी मनाते हैं और लोगों को जागरूक भी करते हैं, लेकिन ऐसा लगता है कि बाल श्रम पर जो कानून बना है वो बहुत ही ढिलाई से काम कर रहा है और उसमें काम जो ऑफिसर्स हैं, प्रशासन है।
Country is celebrating Guru Nanak's birth anniversary. Sikh community celebrates birth anniversary of Guru Nanak on the occasion of Kartik Purnima. Hours after BJP National President Amit Shah accused the Congress-led state government of not properly utilizing the funds released by the centre under different centrally sponsored schemes while flagging off BJP Parivartan Rath Yatra in Dehradun. Chief Minister Harish Rawat strongly denied the allegations as said it is misleading. Giving details of the figures on different count, Rawat clarified that the centre decision to implement the 14th Finance Commission had brought down the central government financial assistance for Uttarakhand by rupees 1,700 crores. Chief Minister Harish Rawat today restated his government's commitment to promote agriculture, even as he also accused BJP President Amit Shah of giving misleading statements. Addressing a press conference in Dehradun today, Harish Rawat said his government had decided to check the downslide being witnesses in agriculture activities in the past few years and taken several decisions for its promotion. He also said from now, any woman engaged in agriculture would be registered as Mangrega worker, and moreover, rupees 1 lakh grant would be given to self-help groups that were engaged in agriculture through collective farming.
उत्तराखंड का यहाँ का न शासन न प्रशासन के कानून जोड़ेंगे। गौ सरकार आज जो जीर्णोद्धार हुआ, इस सरकार ने यहाँ के सरकार के जो शासन या प्रशासन जो भी है, इन्होंने हमारे गौ के प्रति कभी भी विकास
RTI workers are angry on government as government didn't take a notice on their protest. RTI workers were protesting in Karnaprayag Ramlila Maidan over corruption in municipality. After 9 days of protest, when government didn't turn towards them, they got angry and strongly protest against government, raising slogans. Haridwar witnesses heavy crowd on the occasion of Kartik Purnima. People from all parts of India were in Haridwar to take a dip in the holy river Ganga. Administration is alert and special security arrangements are deployed to control any situation.
यहाँ पर बहुत दूर दूर से लोग गंगा स्नान करने के लिए आते हैं और अपने पाप कर्म जो भी है उनका सब यहाँ पे मुक्ति हो जाती है। लोग अपनी सुख शांति के लिए यहाँ पर प्रार्थना करते हैं। परिवार के साथ आई हूँ, पूरा परिवार मेरे साथ में है, मेरे 2 बच्चे और पति के साथ यहाँ पर स्नान करने आई हूँ और इसका पुण्य प्राप्त करने की मेरी प्रार्थना है कि गंगा माता मेरा यहाँ आना सफल करे। इस बार बहुत ज्यादा उत्साह दिखाई दे।
Himalayan Institute organized various programs on the occasion of 21st death anniversary of founder Swami Ram. Yoga Guru Ram Dev also attended the program and on the occasion praised Modi government of the decision.
उठाया है तो सोच विचार करके उठाया होगा। हमने राज्य सरकार की तरफ से कहा है कि हमारा पूरा सहयोग रहेगा और हम सहयोग दे भी रहे हैं। कल से राज्य में कई वस्तुओं के अभाव की स्थिति आई है, लेकिन हमने सारी स्थिति को नियंत्रण में रखा है और मगर केंद्र सरकार को कुछ कदम उठाने होंगे वैकल्पिक।
Ram Shyam Bedi company alleged for distributing old 500 and 1000 currency notes as salary to employees. Sitarganj Degree College head Vishwajit filed a complaint in police station asking for against the corruption company for distribution of black money. In his complaint, Vishwajit also added that he was threatened by Ram Shyam Bedi management. Police is investigating the whole matter. It's time for a short break.